Jason Altenberg. I'm the general manager, and I've been here now almost a year. I think one of my favorite things about working here at Open Road is definitely the community involvement that we've had. We've been new to the city and to the sport, and just coming in and being involved with all the various groups that have reached out to us has actually been a ton of fun for us. I ride a 2016 Road Glide Special as my personal bike, and my wife and I have 3 Harleys in the garage right now. The Road Glide is my dream bike, yes, yeah. So one of the things I really love about all of us here at Open Road is it's a really fun team to be involved in, and it's a fun team to go riding with. So being that we're a motorcycle shop and we promote the sport of motorcycling, being out there and busting bugs, there's no better way. We'll see you on the Open Road.